On
Good
behalf
evening.
of IAP State Branch Puducherry and IAP WC Puducherry and
Yes, madam.
Satya Special School, I take this moment to welcome you to this webinar. Thank you for accepting our invite and coming here to share your thoughts.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
I have heard about you from my daughter who studies at SRM.
Oh, she know me already.
Yes, yes. The moment I had put this on my status, she said
Ah,
she knows you and she has heard you speak too. So I
oh,
got
okay.
that introduction from you, and the rest Yashoda has already told me. So
Yeah.
it's a happy moment here that you are with us.
Oh, okay,
We will
okay.
not wait for Chitra ma'am because she says she's a little busy and she will join us.
Mm-hmm.
She asked us to proceed with the program and not lose time. I think we will
Sure,
start.
Definitely.
ma'am.
Yes,
We'll
we will
take up now.
start. Yes,
Okay.
mental health crisis coping after COVID lockdown is the need of the hour. I request our sub coordinator, Dr. Simalya Dinju, to go ahead with the session.
So, good evening, all. I do greet and welcome each one of you, the greatest seekers of knowledge you people are. So, I'm extremely glad to have you all with me today to our fifth free webinar jointly with Satya Special School. I'm grateful to welcome the untiring organizers of this webinar, Dr. Supriya K. Vinod, President IIP State Branch, UT of Puducherry, Mrs. Chitrisha, Director Satya Special School, Dr. Yashoda Bande, State Coordinator IIPWC Puducherry. I also welcome the IIP State Office bearers, each and everyone to this online meet. Yes, we are extremely happy to present our speaker, Mr. S. Dinesh, soon to be called as Dr. Dinesh, MSc MPhil in Clinical Psychology, who is currently undergoing his PhD. He is an assistant professor cum clinical psychologist at RCA recognized institute and hospital, and also a sensible professional in presenting the practicalities of mental health crisis coping after COVID lockdown. So without any further delay, let me hand over this time to our speaker. So I kindly request you all to pile up with your questions. So once the session is off, we could get it clarified with the speaker. Thank you, sir. Time is to you. Please.
Thank you, madam. I hope all of you can hear me. And I kindly request all of you to, mute yourself when the program starts. Then that will be absolutely fine. And the language requested was in Tamil. So I believe most of you want me to speak in Tamil. It's okay for me, right? It's okay for me. And it was requested to speak in Tamil. So I will start in Tamil. So if you have any problem, just raise it now. Uh, Actually, my sliding is, I couldn't able to, project my slide. Screen sharing is banned by the host.
Just a second, sir. We'll check out that.
Yes.
Abhi, please start screen sharing.
Host disabled participant screen sharing.
Sir, host has to enable it, sir.
Yes,
Just a second, sir.
yes.
Abhi, ma'am, kindly enable the settings.
It's enabled, ma'am.
Okay. ஸோ நீங்க ஒரி பண்ற அளவுக்கு இதுல ஒன்றும் இருக்காது, ரைட்? நான் வந்து ஒரு எவ்வளோ ஸ்லைட்ஸ் வச்சிருக்க போறேன், மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த டைம் ஸ்லைடை பத்தி தான் பேச போறேனா அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா கிடையாது. மேக்சிமம் எனக்கு ஐ ரிமெம்பர் ஐ புட் ஒன்லி 7 ஐ திங்க், ரைட்? ஸோ மீதி எல்லாமே ஒரு இன்டராக்டிவ் செஷனாக தான் இருக்க போகுது, ரைட்? ஸோ ஐ பிலீவ் தட் வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ தேன் ஒரியிங் அபவுட் திஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ நீங்க எதை பத்தியும் கவலைப்பட வேண்டாம். இஃப் யூ ஹாவ் எனி கொஷின் ப்ளீஸ் ரைட் இட் டவுன். இல்ல இதுல தான் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஸ்லைட்ல there is nothing in the slide. Okay, so living with corona or living after corona, I have to admit all. Host, please keep an eye on the participants. There are people getting connected. நீங்களே அதை அட்மிட் பண்ணிடலாம்.
Yes, sir, we do take care, sir. You can
Yes.
proceed.
இல்ல எனக்கு flash வந்துருச்சு. I am getting the
sure.
flash.
Fine, sir.
Okay, so world with corona, world with corona, world after corona, what is this? What we have to do? How we are to supposed to manage அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நிறைய கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருக்கு, ரைட்? ஸோ ஐ வாண்ட் இட் டு பி லிட்டில் இன்டராக்டிவ். ஸோ யாராவது ஆன்சர் பண்ணீங்க இன் பிட்வீன் அப்படின்னா இட் வில் பி ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல். யாராவது ஒருத்தர் 2 பேர் ஜஸ்ட் அன்மியூட் யுவர் செல்ஃப் அண்ட் திஸ் திங். ஸோ கொரோனானால பாதிப்பு இருக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க, பாதிப்பு இல்லைன்னு சொல்றாங்க, இந்த கொரோனாக்கு அப்புறமா என்ன நடக்கும்னு சொல்றாங்க, இட்ஸ் அ ட்ராமான்னு சொல்றாங்க, இட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி கன்ஃபியூசிங்னு சொல்றாங்க, இட் இஸ் கயாட்டிக்னு சொல்றாங்க. இது எல்லாமே நமக்கு நமக்கு தெரியும். நான் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு டிவியில சொல்றதையோ இல்ல WHO சொல்றதையோ முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு டச் பண்ணாம வாட் ரியலி ஹேப்பன்ஸ் இன் தமிழ்நாடு ஆர் இன் அவர் இந்தியா, சவுத் இந்தியான்ற சினாரியோவை டச் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்றேன். இப்போ நான் என்ன சொல்ல வரேன், who is responsible or who is damaged or what is being impacted because of corona அப்படின்ற பாயிண்ட் இங்க பார்க்க போறோம். ரைட். ஸோ who is affected by corona? Can anybody tell me? யாராவது ஒருத்தர், சிமுலியா அப்படின்ற ஒரு மேடம் பார்க்குறேன், ஐ எம் ஏபிள் டு see that. யாராவது ஒருத்தர் 1 or 2 words யாராவது சொல்ல முடியுமா? anybody, anyone can unmute yourself and tell me. Little faster please. யாராவது ஒருத்தர்?
Hello.
Yes madam. Yes madam.
The person who is having less immunity, person who is having BP and sugar.
I am asking for a wider area, madam. Who is
Wider area, one who is not what to say, maintaining social distance or
very good. Very good madam. Anyone else having a viewpoint? Anyone else? I'm seeing so many people. யாராவது ஒருத்தர் உங்களோட வியூ பாயிண்ட்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணலாம்.
Sir, can you please repeat the question in English, because there is a person who is saying please ask in English also.
Oh, okay. இல்ல, you want me to continue the program itself in English?
இல்ல bilingual நீங்க பேசிக்கோங்க. நடுவுல ஏதாவது கேட்டாங்கன்னா ஒரு question கேக்குறச்ச மட்டும் நீங்க ரெண்டு பாஷையிலயும் கேட்கலாம், ஈஸியா.
Okay, the thing is very simple. I am asking a question. Who is affected by corona? Anyone can answer this. Who is?
நான் சொல்லட்டுமா?
சொல்லுங்க தாராளம்.
Anyone.
Yeah.
Everyone is a potential person to get corona. Anybody can get it.
Okay. Who is having the impact? Yes. Anyone else? Someone was trying to answer. Ilya. No one is interested.
Okay, sir. Even I feel anybody, as in if you wanting to know only about people infected by corona, yes, anybody.
No, just your viewpoint, madam. Just your viewpoint. Nothing more than that. Nothing is right or nothing is wrong.
Okay, I feel it's not only people; it's everything getting affected by corona, right from our economy to our health. It can be physical or mental. People are not going. It has a physical impact on overall financial crisis, everything. I think it's
okay. Do you think anyone is immune from this corona?
No.
You believe that corona is, no, we are not immune towards corona. Am I right, madam?
Yeah, it may take some gradual time, or truth may unfold gradually. We are still in the process.
So when I want you to understand from the ground level for every one of you, very simple. Enna, it is affected from person 1 to person 100. I mean the percentage, right? So everyone from the rickshawala to the multi-millionaire, right? So the multi-millionaire, you may think he is not being impacted. Everyone from all nationality, all caste system, all religiosity, anything you take, the impact is there. The people or the person, for example, you take Ambani, he was making crores. Now he can't able to make more crores out of it, right? The rickshaw man who was running his rickshaw, he was a okay person, right? Every day he was making out 100 to 500, 500 to 1000 every day, but it is impacted him. So corona is not against or not towards such person. It has prevails on everyone. As you rightly said, it impacts every one of them. எல்லாரையுமே affect பண்ற ஒரு இதுதான், from the rickshawala to the crorepati Ambani. So Ambani was making 100 crores yesterday, but today it is not possible, right? So before 22nd of March, right, those people who were having a very decent life, right, they may be safe from corona, but they were having a very decent life. 1 second. So from corona, nobody is immune right now. It affects everyone from 0 to 100. As I told you, it includes the barber, the hair stylist, or the beauty parlor owner. He could able to make every day 1,000 rupees. That is 30,000 rupees in a month. Please unmute yourself, everyone. Please mute yourself, everyone. It's disturbing. Madam, Yashoda, madam, please
Yes,
try to
just
mute those person who are interfering.
Okay, Abhi, I request you to mute all
No,
the
sometimes they leave the phone. You please continue that. You just look into this thing. Their picture will come into the grid. If you see the grid, you can unmute. You can mute them. Okay. So what I was trying to say is very simple, right? So it impacts from the 0 to 100. So that means that man was making out 1,000 rupees every day, 30,000 in a month. Now instantly he has lost that 30,000. That has created, unnecessary conflicts in his mind, right? Not only conflict, also it gives up guilt. I'm not going into special population. First thing is the guilt, irritation, anger. That is what is being left by corona, right? So corona infected 10% of the population means, I mean to say, on 22nd of March or 28th of March or 29th of March. Other 90% of the people are infected because of the aftermath incident. Okay, I don't try to say it is the lockdown. It is the impact of corona itself. So everyone comes into the field. Yesterday I was riding auto rickshaw and I could able to make 1,000 rupees. Today there is nothing in my hand. Clear? So what is aftermath of corona is unpredictability. It has brought unpredictability. It has brought irritability. It has brought anger, rage, reaction to relations. Okay, so how do you see people? For example, every day, a man, I could able to see a patient. I am continuing my work, so I could able to see a patient, a watchman. He was telling every day I have to walk for 10 kilometers in a day for my job, and I get 12,000 as a monthly salary. Very, very common man's perspective. And that is for my, everyday bread and butter. So 12,000 I make. 12,000 ரூபாய் தான் என்னால மாசம் சம்பாதிக்க முடியும். நான் ஒரு வாட்ச்மேனா இருக்கேன். நான் பஸ்ஸை கேட்ச் பண்ணி தான் அந்த 10 கிலோமீட்டர்ஸும் 7 கிலோமீட்டர்ஸும் போவேன். பட் யூஸ்வலி ஐ ஸ்டார்ட் பை 5 o'clock in the morning for I work in a ATM. இப்போ என்னால அந்த டைமுக்கு ரீச் ஆக முடியல because nobody is giving me lift. Earlier I am an old man னு சொல்லி somebody will give me lift if I ask. Now you understand. People say humanitarianship has developed அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஒரு சைடு ஆஃப் இந்த சைடுல பாருங்க, the watchman is complaining, even if I ask for lift nobody is giving. And he was also uttering, நான் தண்ணி கேட்டா கூட கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. Even if I ask water, they have the fear. No, I'm not complaining. I'm just putting forward a man's perspective. That means seeing the man. இப்போ நீங்க பாருங்க, everyone travels in சிங்கிளா போறத உங்களால அதிகமா பார்க்க முடியும். அதுக்கான காரணம் என்னன்னா, even if the people come and ask for lift, they are not ready or they are not ready to give. The reason என்னன்னா, the fear and the outrage. So he may have corona அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. So now you understand. Irritability, unpredictability. So what is this unpredictability? Now what will happen tomorrow? Will I get the ration tomorrow? Will I get ATM money tomorrow? One report from RBI says many people have collected money and kept in the home and no money is in the bank. Most of their accounts bank from their own accounts. அவங்களோட cash வந்து அவங்களோட அக்கவுண்ட்ல இருந்து withdraw பண்ணி வீட்ல வச்சிருக்காங்க. In belief that the unpredictability may happen. Now you understand. RBI ஏன் அதை மென்ஷன் பண்றாங்க? Please bring back the money ன்னு சொல்றாங்க to the bank. RBI ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்ல சொல்றாங்க. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? That has brought unpredictability. இந்த நாளைக்கு என்ன நடக்கும்? What will happen to me? If anything goes wrong, where I will go? Right? So irritability, anger, outrage, reactions to this. Then clinical termல சொல்ல போனோம் அப்படின்னா, anger, aggression, stress, depression, sleep problem, anxiety disorders such as panic disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, and stigmatization. Right? So இதுக்கெல்லாம் one by one நம்ம step by step we will come to it. So what is that அப்படின்றத பார்ப்போம். So common reaction to காமன் ரியாக்ஷன் டு COVID-19. இப்போ என்ன நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு அப்படின்றத ஒரே ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்ல பார்த்துருவோம். ஸோ கன்சர்ன் அபவுட் ப்ரொடெக்டிங் ஒன் செல்ஃப் ஃப்ரம் வைரஸ், ஹவு வி கேன் ப்ரொடெக்ட் அவர் செல்ஃப் அப்படின்றதுல ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கேர் எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க, ரைட்? ஸோ ஹவு ஐ கேன், ஸோ இதெல்லாம் நீங்க ஃபன்னியா பார்க்கலாம். யூ கேன் see it in TikTok. வாஷிங் மிஷின்ல தே ஆர் புட்டிங் ப்ளீச்சிங் பவுடர் அண்ட் வாஷிங் தேர் வெஜிடபிள்ஸ். அதை நீங்க அவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து பார்க்க முடியும், ரைட்? All funny things, they put the cooker and they try to steam it out. I don't say it is wrong or right, but how much concern they are taking right now because of the fear nu solla vara. Take it in that perspective. I'm not pointing out anyone. That much impact it has created on the people. It is nothing other than the fear. And also one of the thing is guilt. So what will happen to the guilt in nenikiringa? The guilt is like, I may lose somebody, or it could be my mistake. Because of my mistake, I can lose somebody at my home. So because coming to that point, enna pandranga, என்னால எங்க அப்பா அம்மாவுக்கு வந்துருமோ, என்னால எங்க தாத்தா பாட்டிக்கு வந்துருமோ, I could be a silent carrier அப்படின்றதுக்காக என்ன பண்றாங்க, they are moving away from the society. Yes, but you can't 100% move away from the society, இல்லையா? So you have to come back for the things. Okay, so அந்த டைம்ல என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்னா, you feel isolated. So எப்ப anger வரும், இப்ப முன்னாடி போட்டிருக்க லைன் வருது பாருங்க, எப்ப anger வரும்? When do you think you will get anger? Rajini madam, can you just try to say when you will get anger? When you will feel angry? Anyone?
When things goes out of our control.
Very good. Who was that?
Okay.
Simulia, sir, myself. Simulia.
Very good. Anyone else?
When I get irritated.
When you get irritated.
Failures.
When you get irritated, madam?
Out of failures or not able to achieve
failures. Out of failures. Anyone else? Anyone have any point? Tamil kuda sollala, enakku onnu prachana illa.
Sir, good afternoon. யோசிக்கிறது நடக்கலன்னா we will get anger.
Exactly.
Very good. யோசிக்கிறது நடக்கலனா. Very good. அப்புறம்
நம்ம நினைக்கிறது நடக்கலனா. That is what I think she means, right, Manju?
Yes.
நம்ம நினைக்கிறது நடக்கலனா.
நம்ம சொல்றதை யாராவது கேட்டா கூட
நம்ம எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன் வந்து ஃபுல்ஃபில் ஆகலனா நமக்கு.
Exactly. So இப்போ இங்க நீங்க பார்க்குற ஆங்கருக்கான முக்கியமான ரீசன் என்ன அப்படின்னா, it's purely because of your expectation தான். நான் என்ன நினைக்கிறேன், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், I was introduced in this video in the beginning. என்ன இந்த வீடியோல இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணும்போது பிகினிங்ல இருந்தாங்க. இந்த ஹோஸ்ட் யசோதா இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, he was thinking, நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, your host Yashoda was thinking, I will wear a blue color shirt and take up this program. For example, today she believed that I will wear a blue color t-shirt and sit for this program. Very clear, right? But I am wearing a red color t-shirt and I am sitting for the program. So what happens? She gets angry just because her expectation didn't come up to the match level. Correct இல்லையா? இதுக்கு நான் காரணம் கிடையாது. Dinesh is not responsible for madam's angry or anger, right? அவங்க என்ன நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க, she thought I will wear. So இதே மாதிரி the unpredictability. Tomorrow I thought I have to pay my EMI, my patients will come, I have my routine, என்னால இத பண்ண முடியும், அத பண்ண முடியும், I will go around with my exercises, or I will go out with my schedule அப்படின்ற அந்த பாயிண்ட் எல்லாமே மாறி போய், right now I completely feel irritated. Okay, so that brings about some amount of stress on me. That is negativity. Stress is, there are three types of stress. One is positive and one is neutral and so called negative nu solluvaanga. The neutral again they call it neo அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Why do you call or why do you see the stress அப்படினு சொன்னாங்கன்னா, when you decide, for example, today 5:30 is the program. Okay, so you decided to connect to the program, but the program is not connecting அப்படின்னா technical issue. But who is the reason for it? Purely நீங்க தான் அதுக்கான reason, right? ஏன் அப்படின்னா உங்களோட கனெக்ஷனை ஏற்கனவே பார்த்து செக் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கலாம். You would have already checked your connection. Or right now it is unpredictable also, but still, so you are trying to connect it, but it is not connecting, but it connects after 2 minutes. அப்ப என்ன நடக்கும்? இன்னும் சிம்பிளா சொல்ல போறேன். For example, you have to go for the exam. யாரோ ஒருத்தங்க நீங்க எக்ஸாமுக்கு போகணும். எக்ஸாமுக்கு போற டைம்ல உங்க கையில வந்து டோரை லாக் பண்ற கீ இல்ல. பட் யூ ஹேவ் டு கோ ஃபார் த எக்ஸாம். யூ ஆர் இன் அ ஹரி. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், யூ ஆர் வியர்ட் சாக்ஸ். ஒரு சாக்ஸ் போட்டுட்டீங்க, பட் another socks is missing. என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? கேன் எனிபடி ஆன்சர்? யூ ஆர் இன் அ ஹரி, யூ ஹேவ் டு அட்டெண்ட் இன்டர்வியூ. ஒரு சாக்ஸ் போட்டுட்டீங்க, இன்னொரு சாக்ஸ் இல்ல, என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? யூ காட் அ ஷூ ஆர் யூ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் another shoe. What you will do?
Will get irritated, sir.
Very good. After that, what you will do? But you have to go to the interview. Yes.
Will organize.
Yes.
We wear some other alternative or a slipper or something and go to the
Very
interview.
good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. When you are trying to find the key, when you are trying to find the razor, shaving razor for the interview, when you are trying to find the socks, until the alternative, try to understand, until the alternative, there is no such problem. Right? Until you find the alternative. After you find the alternate, then immediately that stress is gone. That is called new stress. It will be there only for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. But there is something called 3 stress I told you. Okay. Stress is completely situational. One is eustress and another one is distress. Okay. So I will tell you what is eustress. Now I told is distress. New stress, it will be there for only 2 minutes. Okay. இப்போ இதுல நான் என்ன சொல்ல போறேன்னு பாருங்க. சாவி கிடைக்கல, சாவி தேடிட்டு இருக்கேன், டக்குன்னு சாவி கிடைக்கணும்னு எதிர்பார்க்கறேன், சாவி கிடைச்சிருச்சு, உடனே அந்த ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் காணாம போயிடும். ஷேவிங் ரேசர் தேடிட்டு இருக்கேன், ஷேவிங் ரேசர் கிடைக்கும்னு பாக்குறேன், கிடைச்ச உடனே அந்த இது என்னோட காணாம போயிடும். வெரி குட். ஸோ இப்போ ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்னா என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். இப்போ ப்ரொலாங்டா என்ன இந்த கிளாஸ் நான் அட்டன் பண்ணுமா, why I should have to attend this class அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நீங்க டிசைட் பண்ணியாச்சு அப்படின்னா, then it will cause unnecessary stress to you. The whole 45 minutes or 1 hour or 1.5 hours is going to be irritable for you, which is decided by you. That could be of many reasons. For example, your superiors told you to attend, right? You don't have any other work, or you have some other important work rather than this. That could be anything, right? But right now, you are in a dilemma whether to watch the TV program or whether to attend this program. இது பார்க்கலாமா அது பார்க்கலாமான்ற dilemma இருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, that will become distress. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கங்க. எப்ப நீங்க டிசைட் பண்றீங்களோ that will become distress. But okay, let us see. We will challenge this அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நீங்க சேலஞ்ச் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது you start living with it. Then what will happen அப்படின்னா, it will become eustress, useful ஆன stress. நல்லா கேட்டுக்கோங்க, useful ஆன stress. So you will learn from it. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? For example, my friend got married for the first time. So ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் மேரேஜ் வந்தோட நான் என்ன கேட்டேன் அவர்கிட்ட, என்னப்பா நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம்க்கு ஏதாவது ஐடியா இருக்கா? நியூ பீப்புள் ஜாயின், ப்ளீஸ் மியூட் யுவர் செல்ஃப். So I was trying to say, no, I asked my friend, hello sir, how are you, how is everything? Then did you got married, so what you have to do right now? I am also trying to get married, what I have to do? So the simple thing he said was, first கேர்ள் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு பாக்காதீங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேரேஜ் ஹால புக் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன் சார்? இல்ல மேரேஜ் ஹால் கிடைக்கிறது தான் கஷ்டம். ஃபைண்டிங் a girl will be also easy, but marriage hall will be very difficult in typical Chennai. நார்த் சென்னையில உங்களுக்கு மேரேஜ் ஹால் வேணும்னா இட்ஸ் டிஃபிகல்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? வாட் ஐ எம் ட்ரைங் டு சே, it is from his experience. He also undergone this stress. So birthday na what should be important? Cake is more important. And for marriage, girl was important before 10 years, but marriage hall became important right now. Who is telling? Who has undergone through his stress, and it is decided by that person. Avaru enna pannaru, adha challenge panni edukittar. Now you understand what is stress. Stress is of 3 types. One is eustress, another one is distress, the center part is neostress. இப்போ நம்ம வந்துட்டு இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே, இப்போ நீங்க ஃபேஸ் பண்றது எல்லாமே distress. Most of the time what you feel is completely distress. Clear? Because most of the time you think, idu thevaya, is it necessary? Ayyo, this is torturing. Evlo nera I have to sit back in the TV, evlo nera I have to do the same things again and again, how much time I have to see the same person's face. Okay, then anger towards one group of people, xenophobia nu solluvaanga. What is called xenophobia? Xenophobia is one group of people பார்த்து irritate ஆகிறது. ethnicity, especially of one group of people பார்த்து, ஒரு ethnicity பார்த்து you get irritated, right? இப்ப நம்ம யாரை பார்த்து இரிட்டேட்டடா இருக்கோம்? Which group of population we get irritated? Can anyone answer, please? Fast. We don't have much time.
Infected population, sir.
Yaru?
Infected population.
Yes, infected population. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else?
People don't follow rules. As in, you know,
People who don't follow rules. Okay, good. Anyone else? Yes, good.
Government, sir.
Yaru?
Government.
நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு கவர்மெண்ட். Okay.
ஆமா sir.
Okay. Anyone else?
Are the police people who stop us from going to our daily routines.
Yes, that also irritates us. Then very good. Anything else? China பார்த்து யாருக்குமே கோவம் வரலையா? Are you not getting irritated towards China? Why did they do this? What harm did I do? கோவம் வருதா இல்லையா?
Actually அந்த கோவம் மாறிடுச்சு சார். இப்போ இன்ஃபெக்ட் ஆன சுத்தி இருக்க people கிட்ட வந்துருச்சு.
Okay. So these people are carrying it. It is only bilateral. You just go to those people who are infected around you, right? உங்க பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற இன்ஃபெக்ஷன்ல அரௌண்ட் அவங்க கிட்ட போய் கேளுங்க, why this China has brought. நான் yesterday ஒரு காமெடி கூட பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். I never buy oil for even 5 liter oil for cooking. And I have to buy 5 liter of that liquid soap for my home அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட் என்கிட்ட என்னோட கிளைண்ட் வந்து சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தார். So what I'm trying to say, it's very simple, right? So every time I have to buy 5 liter, every month I'm buying 5 liters of soap oil. நான் cooking oil, sunflower oil அவ்வளவு வாங்கினதில்ல. Don't you think it is irritability? Don't you think it is unpredictability? Don't you feel it is anger? Then the anger is towards the China population. Yes, there are people against China. So I am not convinced with China has developed it or China didn't develop it. But one reason, நம்மளோட மைண்ட்ல எல்லாரும் என்ன அர்த்தம்? It comes from China. Why from China? Because these people eat everything. Correct இல்லையா? Am I right? We all believe China people eat everything, right? So China people eat everything அப்படின்னா the virus when it is developed அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நவம்பரோட எண்ட்ல டெவலப்மெண்ட் சொல்றாங்க. It is a novel virus. So it is developed recently or it is mutated recently ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Corona is from long back, but it is one of the group of virus is modified and mutated ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. அது man made இல்ல god made ஆன்றது it is not our concern. But சைனால இருந்து ஃபுட்னால வந்தது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So you go back for last 500 years, the same food what Chinese were having. நீங்க நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Chinese were having the same food. They never modified it, right? So the mutation happened. Okay, that is man-made or it is God-made அப்படின்றதெல்லாம் it's secondary issue right now. It is not our concern. But you have to see it from this perspective அப்படின்னு சொல்றேன், right? So last 150 years before also same food, 50 years before also same food. Why do you think right now the virus has developed? And right, this is to make the people understand it is not from the people. Something else has caused it. Something else has caused it, and there is no harm or no way to get anger towards that people, right? இதே மாதிரி a similar outrage, இதே மாதிரியான ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் 100 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி ஸ்பானிஷ் அவுட்ரேஜ்லயும் இருந்தது. இதே மாதிரி யூரோப்பியன் ஃப்ளூல 17th centuryலயும் இருந்தது, 16th centuryல இருக்கு. ஈவன் in Tamil literature there are 2nd century and 3rd centuryல பேண்டமிக்ஸை பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க, right? So why I am telling you that is one part of our treatment as physiotherapists, as healthcare workers. We need to educate them and we need to change first our perspective. அப்பதான் we can educate the general population. அப்பதான் நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதை தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். எல்லாத்துக்கும் காரணம் சைனாக்காரன் தான் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, சைனாக்காரனோட ஃபுட் தான் காரணம்னு சொன்னா கண்டிப்பா அப்போ 45 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன ஆச்சு, 100 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நடந்தது, ரைட்? So again comes the guilt, then increase the level of distance. இப்போ distressனா என்ன சொன்னேன்றது உங்களுக்கு புரியும். I believe you can all understand what is distress, right? Distressனா என்ன? Unwanted stress decided by person A, that is me. Clear? நான் தான் டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டேன். So live in lower income. Yesterday I was running a beauty parlor. Every day I get 5,000 rupees. Today, day after tomorrow, what will happen if this prevails for another 2 months? என்ன நடக்கும், நான் யார்கிட்ட போய் கேட்கறது, ரைட்? அண்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஸ்டிக்மா. இப்போ அந்த மேடம் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஸ்டிக்மா. ஸோ இங்க பெங்களூர்ல யூனோ திஸ் நேபாளி பீப்புள், லாட் ஆஃப் தெம் ஆர் ஒர்க்கிங். இந்த பிலிப்பினோஸ் ஆல்சோ லாட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஒர்க்கிங் இன் யூனோ Bangalore, and in Dubai also the Filipinos and Indonesians work there a lot. அவங்க எல்லாரையும் பார்த்து people are calling them Chinese go away or Corona go away. There are 2 complaints case record in Tamil Nadu. பெங்களூர்லயும் இருக்கு, ஆந்திரா கர்நாடகாலயும் இருக்கு, but here I'm telling that guy was going and telling them, you know, அந்த ethnicity group நீங்க தள்ளி போங்க, please don't come to my those people are Nagaland people living in India. They are Indians. They were here yesterday also, they were here, but these people call them, you know, suddenly, you know, you are from outside அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க, right? Okay, so can corona crisis virus could be turned for society in a positive way? Any positive points? Anybody feeling like that? Any positive points can be added? Anyone? One idea? Anyone?
Yes, I feel Corona is a blessing in disguise in lot of way. One is to the nature.
To understand the nature.
No. One is like understand nature as yes, and even it has added to a lot of reduction in pollution, air pollution. Precisely. So like animals feel free to come out. So I feel that is also a very big change. In a way, it has given a setback to change our negative mentality to positive and be more positive.
Okay. Any other points? Anyone else adding points?
Practicing traditional values.
We have to accept our traditional values. Saying namaste. Madam, is it namaste? Saying namaste, hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Traditional plan.
Okay. Anything
no,
else?
sir. Like I was telling, there is an opportunity kind of to stay at home and live with family members.
Okay, madam. Okay. Anyone else? In a positive way?
I think better use of technology.
Better use of technology to communicate. Yes, so we can able to understand it from a perspective. Okay. So the problem yesterday there was a problem in my group, in my school group, that a person wrote it on his own and, you know, he circulated in this TikTok or WhatsApp group. Very simple. There is no movies, theater காசு இல்ல, பார்க் போக வேண்டாம், தீம் பார்க் போக வேண்டாம், புது ட்ரெஸ் வாங்கல, I didn't buy new dress and I didn't do anything, but ration cost is 40,000 rupees. Last month bill was only 38,000. I could able to save 2,000 rupees. And current bill could be, you know, after 2 months it could be very costly அப்படினு சொல்லி அவரோட வியூ பாயிண்ட் சொல்லியிருந்தார். Okay, then one more report says the air pollution is reduced, but other kind of pollution is added அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. என்னன்னா electricity, maximum amount of electricity, the, you know, the AC is being used, 3 ACs are used, 3 TVs are used, fan is running continuously, and, you know, electricity bill இப்போ recently in ஒரு 1 weekல update வரும் நினைக்கிறேன் for the electricity bill. Okay, so that is going somewhere else, and electricity again, usage of electricity causes pollution in one or the other way. So global warming கிடைக்கல அப்படின்னா it is somewhere else, it is coming through the burning of electricity and coal னு சொல்ல வரேன், right? We are not that much, you know, this with so who are all damaged heavily அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா media, transport, real estate, food and hospitality. Nobody is going for the hotel, then hospitality services, and nobody is ready to take Uber or nobody. And today also there was a comedy from tomorrow autos are permitted Chennai la. So only one person to go அப்படினு சொல்லி எடப்பாடி sir has communicated in TV. அப்ப கீழவே ஒருத்தன் memes போட்டு அனுப்புறான், only auto driver அப்படினு சொல்லி ஒரு question mark. Autos can go with one person. The question is very simple. The person is asking, you mean the auto driver அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க, right? Okay, so suddenly ரஜினிகாந்த், கமல்ஹாசன், விஜய், அஜித் அவங்க யாருமே ஹீரோ இல்ல. ஹெல்த் ஒர்க்கர் ஒரு ஹீரோவா மாறிட்டாங்க. தென் போலீஸ் ரெண்டாவது ஹீரோவா மாறிட்டாங்க. மூணாவது யூனோ கிளீனிங் ஒர்க்கர்ஸ் வந்து ஹீரோவா மாறிட்டாங்க ஒரே டே, இந்த சேம் டே. ஸோ எவ்ரி ஒன் பிகேம் சூப்பர் சூப்பர் மேன்ல இருந்து சூப்பர் உமன் எல்லாருமே வந்து the character itself is completely changed to general population, right? But the problem is they are being avoided by the same community members and the family members. The greatest pain is rejection. I prepare food for my mom and she says it is not good. I prepare a celebration for my community, they say they deny me. Okay, the largest pain, இருக்கிறதுலயே மோசமான பெயின் என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா ஐசோலேட் பண்றது, உங்களை தள்ளி வைக்கிறது தான். omitted from the community. That is why till today, for murder also they put you for life imprisonment. நீங்க யாரையாவது கொலை பண்ணீங்கனால என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, திருடுனீங்கனால உங்களை கொண்டு போய் ஜெயில போடுறதுக்கான ரீசன் என்ன? You should be isolated or omitted from the society. Earlier days panchayat, you should stay out of the village அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஐசோலேட்டட். அப்ப என்ன ஆகுது, இந்த ஹெல்த் கேர் ஒர்க்கர்ஸ்க்கோ போலீஸ்க்கோ தென் நம்மள மாதிரி ஆளுக்கு we work in this field, okay, and then the municipal workers, cleaning people, right, அவங்களுமே they get frustrated and irritated. They turn back against the community with anger and irritability, and they ask the question, why I need to do? It's there inside their mind, but still many believe it is our duty. Na illan sollala, but when you get rejected, the distress becomes more nu sollavar. Already I have seen my friend who works in the hospital, he is being told to stay in the hospital itself for 1 month. 15 days duty, 15 days our hospital e thanga sollitanga, right? So saying that, and from the whole home family, and there are many doctors in the home. Okay, he doesn't take it in a negative way, but most of the time he was feeling, I want to see my kid அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரொம்ப irritable ஆயிட்டு இருந்தாரு. இதே மாதிரி ரீசன் நம்மளுக்கும் வரும். We will also get that because we are most of the time omitted அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சா, when we come to know we are omitted, we will also get that distress because we feel it is unwanted. இப்போ முன்னாடி அந்த வார்த்தையை தான் சொன்னேன். Stress is converted into 3 types. One is eustress, another one is distress, and the middle part is neostress. And this is not neostress. This is happening for so long period of time, which is causing distress. Okay, and prolonged distress, ரொம்ப நாள் அந்த டிஸ்ட்ரெஸ் இருந்துகிட்டே இருந்ததுன்னா, இன்னைக்கு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன், நாளைக்கு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன், I will adjust for only today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow அப்படின்னு, if it keep on going, one day it will have a breakdown that will cause unnecessary problem or development of some illness. இப்ப புரியும் நினைக்கிறேன் இப்ப எங்க இருந்து நமக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி, ரைட்? So as a psychologist, how I will manage அப்படின்றத தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாலே, when you come to know how I am managing my patients அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, you will get inferred. I don't need to say specifically depressionக்கு இந்த ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுங்க, anxietyக்கு இந்த ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுங்க, இதுக்காக இந்த ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுங்க. How I manage அப்படின்னு கேட்டா, the first part is I educate the patient. Right now I educate the patient. So how I educate the patient? As I told, first point, China people didn't cause the virus because of eating. The virus mutated, but because of eating, because last 50 years or 100 years they were eating the same food. And the Spanish people don't eat these kind of foods. But how did they develop before 100 years? இதே மாதிரி ஒரு அவுட் பிரேக் மர்ஸ்லயும் இருந்தது, மிடில் ஈஸ்ட் ரெஸ்பிரேட்டரி சிண்ட்ரோம்லயும் இருந்தது, சார்ஸ்லயும் இருந்தது. So what happened in Middle East respiratory syndrome? They follow norms and restrictions. இல்லையா, துபாயில, அரேபிக் கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல. அப்ப அவங்களுக்கும் இதே மாதிரி வந்தது. எபோலா பத்தி சொல்லணும், I want to speak about எபோலா அப்படின்னா, எபோலா didn't go on its own. Sorry, it didn't go with our effort. It went on its own. அதுவே போயிடுச்சு, எபோலாவே போயிடுச்சு. Nobody treated it with medicines. அதுவே போயிடுச்சு for a safe side. இங்க ப்ரோட்டோகால் எதுவுமே இல்ல. we don't have any protocol for these kind of situations and scenarios, ரைட்டா? சரி, இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்கள சைக்கோ எஜுகேட் பண்ணுவேன், ரைட்? சைக்கோ எஜுகேட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பீப்புள் ஸ்டார்டட் விஷிங் குட் லக் அண்ட் குட் ஹெல்த் ஃபார் த நெய்பர்ஸ். ஸோ யூ மே பி குட் பீப்புள், இங்க குரூப்ல இருக்கவங்க, ஐம் ட்ரை டு சே த பீப்புள் ஹூ ஆர் இன் த குரூப், ரைட்? ஸோ ரைட் நவ் தினேஷ், I am trying to congratulate or I want to wish good luck for the next street people. Yeah, Dinesh is doing that. Why? Because I have to pass through that street through my hospital to carry out my routine. In what happens in Chennai, they come and block both the sides of the road when you have corona. Okay, so if to safeguard myself, what I have to do, ரெண்டு சைடும் மூடிடுறாங்கன்றதுக்காக அந்த சைடுக்கு யாருக்கும் கொரோனா வரக்கூடாது, இந்த சைடு யாருக்கும் கொரோனா வரக்கூடாதுன்னு ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் ப்ரேயிங். தட்ஸ் அ குட் திங். ஓகே, sometimes we have a privileged car இல்லையா, so we want to show off. I don't say, I'm just trying to make an example. ஒரு கார் இருந்ததுன்னா நம்ம ஓட்டி காட்டுவோம் இல்லையா, பட் இப்ப அப்படி இல்ல. நீங்களும் கார் வைங்க, நானும் கார் வைக்கிறேன், அதே சினாரியோ. ஓகே, யூ ஆல்சோ டோன்ட் டெவலப் corona, I will also not develop corona. Okay, so we go and complain. The next street, there is a sewage open. Can you go and put this bleaching powder there? Why, madam, there? No, I believe they may get corona. Because of that, I may get corona. And people started believing we are one. Made us to understand we are one, right? So sometimes, because of your money, right? For your money, I have money, lot of money. I have lot of money in my packet. I'm just telling you. Okay, it's a joke, please. I have lot of money in my packet right now. என்கிட்ட நிறைய காசு இருக்கு. நான் என்ன பண்றேன், நேரா சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் போறேன். I buy lot of tissue papers and keep it in my home. So what happens? Tissue paper கிடைக்காம or hand sanitizer கிடைக்காம, the next street fellow will not get the hand sanitizer. He may get the disease. Again, he will come back to put paper in my house or milk in my house. They started understanding it later. So what do you need to do? You don't need to flood yourself with food item, cleaning item, unnecessary things. Later, you need to enable the patient. You don't need to stuff all these things. You want one packet, more than that you need 2 packets. You don't need to stuff all the napkin and Lysol, and Dettol, everything inside your home. If the next person, for example, the next street person don't get Dettol soap, he may catch corona and get it to you. Later the people started understanding, or you need to make them understand. So gods, we started searching inside. Okay, we were believing the God. Okay, right? So people there were always group, believe God, don't believe God. The people don't believe God, they also started believing the people is the God. Yeah, the people is the God. Yes, we also started thinking, right? We also started thinking people is the God. The same way, we don't need to go and pray somewhere. We can pray within ourselves. People started understanding. I don't say this wish went off. The God's wish went off. The belief in God didn't go, or the people didn't have, and that never was there. But they also started believing whoever are with us, they are God. Abindra concept puriya aarambichadhu. So search within our community, within ourselves, abindra people became stronger, right? So இன்னும் ஒரு பார்ட், how we will psycho educate அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, the same clinics, நீங்க இருக்கிற அதே கிளினிக்லயோ, நீங்க இருக்கிற அதே பஸ்லயோ, wherever you are riding an auto, for example, first one என்ன போட்டிருக்கானா tuberculosis, right? So WHO reportல என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, 2020 and 2024 this bacteria will be more stronger, than ever before அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஏன்னா you need to take medicine. கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா, 6 months வரைக்கும் சாப்பிடணும். டாட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, டைரக்ட்லி அப்சர்வ்டு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் ஷார்ட்லின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. 6 months வரைக்கும் நீங்க ரொட்டீனா அந்த மருந்தை சாப்பிடணும், ரைட்? அது எப்படி ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, இட் ஹாஸ் ஆல் மொடாலிட்டிஸ், இட் கேன் மாடிஃபை இட் செல்ஃப், ரைட்? இப்போ நாட் ஒன்லி திஸ் கொரோனா, டிபி இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஈவன்லி டேஞ்சர். பட் ஏன் நம்ம டிபியை பத்தி ஒரி பண்றது இல்லை? தேர் ஆர் செவரல் அதர் மைக்ரோப்ஸ். நிறைய பாக்டீரியா இருக்கு, நிறைய வைரஸ் இருக்கு நம்மளை சுத்தி. பட் ஏன் நம்ம கொரோனாவை பார்த்து மட்டும் இவ்வளவு பயப்படுறீங்க? ஏன் ரோட் டிராபிக் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ல நிறைய பேர் சாகுறாங்க, ஹார்ட் அட்டாக்ல நிறைய பேர் சாகுறாங்க. why do you worry about especially this corona? ஏன் டிபி வந்தா பரவாயில்ல? is it okay you get TB and that sterile version where it will not go off, அப்படின்னா பரவாயில்லையா? is it okay for you அப்படின்ற கொஸ்டினை கேட்டா, no sir, I may carry it to someone. TB also you can carry it to someone, right? There are other contagious diseases also. I don't want you to worry about other diseases right now. இப்போ நான் என்னோட ஆன்சருக்கு வரேன். For example, in this group, Madam A is carrying gold jewel in her bag. I am sitting next to her. She is traveling to Madurai. Okay, மதுரைக்கு போறாங்க. அந்த பேக் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு, அந்த பேக்ல கோல்டு ஜுவல் இருக்கு. இப்ப நான் பக்கத்துல உட்காந்துருக்கேன். She will sleep. Especially you please take up இவங்களை எடுத்துக்கோங்க, யசோதா மேடம். எஸ், Yashoda madam don't know me and I don't know Yashoda madam. I am sitting next to Yashoda madam. Will she sleep? Definitely Yashoda madam will not sleep on the whole night. You know why, right? Because I may steal. Who is responsible for this? Dinesh is responsible. No, Yashoda madam is responsible because she purchased gold and kept it in the bag. Yashoda madam was having 1 lakh rupees in her bag, not me. நான் பொறுப்பு இல்லைங்க, அவங்க காசு வச்சிருக்காங்க. So she gets the fear. அதே மாதிரி இப்ப என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்னா, it is your thought which is troubling you. Corona. So this is what is really troubling you. Yesterday there was a person, they telling me in the roadside, sir, 56 days he was in quarantine. 57th day he came out to take out money from the ATM. He got corona, sir. What to do, sir? Enna sir idu? 57 days our veetla irundhirukka, sir. This is everywhere in news, sir. What is this, sir? Then another person was telling me, sir, first they told, you know, you have to safeguard yourself, they have to do yourself, they have to do that, do this abdin sonanga. Now everything is open, including wine shops. Sir, what to do, sir? Why did they tell this, sir? Right, but what they are giving us is a different theory. So no need to conclude right now, but this confusion, what is the confusion? In the confusion, educate panitale podum. When you try to educate them, that will become all right, perfectly all right. Why this confusion is the step-by-step process of treating corona patient involves not everyone to get corona and come and get infected and get admitted, where every services will be, you know, in a stake. For example, in Puducherry they come 1.5 people at the same time. What will happen? So right now it is being staged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That cannot be told openly outside also. That is being staged and that is perfectly being managed now. Now, like America, like Spain, like Italy, our medical system is not completely failed. One madam also told she is against the medical group, right? Could be. But the reason is their system completely failed. They were always saying that we are 25 years ahead. Yaar, Italy சொன்னாங்க, America சொன்னாங்க, Spain சொன்னாங்க. பட் என்ன ஆச்சு? அவங்க டாக்டருங்களுக்கெல்லாம் வந்துருச்சு. டாக்டருங்களுக்கெல்லாம் வந்ததுனால அவங்க ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் சிஸ்டத்தை அவங்களால யூஸ் பண்ண முடியல. பட் we are still using our hospital. கொரோனா வராதான்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா வருது, பட் it is being staged. ஒரு நாளைக்கு 10,000, for example, I'm just telling you, I'm not good with the numbers. 5,000, 6,000, 8,000. Now you understand the difference between our system and their system. They are 30 years ahead. Right. So you can come back and ask me. Last meeting le na orthar ketar, sir, China has stopped it. No, they say it is not stoppable. That is why they start telling live with it. South Korea, they contained it, but again there was a second outbreak. China, they had several outbreaks after it. 2-3 outbreaks irukunu solranga. Right. The problem is with our thought. Nalla purinjukanga. There are several other problems than this. Best example is TB. In the thought process modify pannum. Right. So corona nala savalana paravalla. It's a வேற ஏதாவது நோய் வந்து செத்தா பரவாயில்லையா? Okay. So you need to make them understand. You need to make them think. So Chinese eating food is not responsible, or you know, only corona is not going to destruct you. And one more thing what I want to tell, corona யாரை catch பண்ணாது அப்படின்னா அந்த மேடம் சொன்னாங்கல்ல, ரஜினி மேடம், I think. Yes, what she was trying to say, it is killing the people who doesn't have a very strong immunity, or it kills the people who has nalla ketukonga, who has the habit of smoking. They have more strain habit of smoking, or who have habit of taking regular usage of alcohol. It makes more impact, negative impact on them அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. And what are all the positivity அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, it has brought worry. Okay, இந்த worry பத்தி நான் சொல்றேன். இந்த worry is what troubles us. Very simple. நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க. The worry is what I have it coming inside my mind, and it is not pathological. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, it is not pathological. It is not diagnosable. Clinically underdiagnosable. Right? Temperature இருந்தது எல்லாமே typhoid, malaria, cholera ஆயிடாது இல்லையா? I think general population are also there. So I just want to make sure. So worry means நம்ம எதையோ பத்தி கவலைப்படுறது. Right? இப்போ கொரோனா விஷயத்துல நீங்க ஏதாவது மாத்த முடியும்னு நினைச்சா ஏன் கவலைப்படணும்? If you can change it, then why to worry? Point number 1, no sir, I'm trying to change, it's not possible. Okay, if you can't change, then why to worry? If you worry, again it's going to change. இப்போ நீங்க worry பண்ணா problem solve ஆகும் அப்படின்னா worry பண்றத பண்ணலாம். I will worry. Right? If I worry and still can't able to bring about the change, then what it will do? என்ன பண்ணும் இது? So the worry concept நீங்க தான் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். If you worry this is going to change அப்படின்னா okay. If the worry நால எதுவும் change ஆக போறது இல்ல அப்படின்னா finished. Right? So you need to psychoeducate the patient. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. The fear of psychoeducationல என்ன part? The fear எப்படி eradicate பண்ணனும்னா it is not from China primarily. Then it is you know many time 98% of the people who are infected by corona, it will go by itself asymptomatically, especially in India. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. 98% of the people it will go off on its own. அதுவே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா போய்டும். Okay, only 2% of the people who have special kind of illness இல்ல ஒரு கண்டிஷனோ இல்ல ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமோ ப்ரிவைலிங் கண்டிஷன் ஏதாவது இருக்கிறவங்க அது டேமேஜ் ஃபர்தர் மோர் டேமேஜ் பண்ணும். ரைட்? அந்த டேமேஜ்னால என்ன நடக்கும்? வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன் when they have more damage அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா very simple. The 2% population is what you see in the TV. So to avoid the anxiety, what you need to do? Stop watching the news or watch the news only once to your loved ones. நல்லா புரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இப்போ யாராவது உங்ககிட்ட இந்த ஒரிய கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றது எப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா நியூஸை ஒரே ஒரு வாட்டி பாருங்க. இல்ல no need to see the news at all, because you see all these 2% population there. They put all these hypochloric acid around them, they put the plastic around them, they will tell you this, they have put a very very big burial ground. The 98% people cured, man, you don't speak about them? No sir, we don't need to speak about them. Not here, throughout the world I am telling. You get my point? Right? So how many people has been interviewed after corona? What happened? I mean, the world population I am telling, nobody is worried. Only they show the coffins, they show the burial ground. சுடுகாட்ட காட்டுவான், சுத்தி காட்டுவான், செத்து போனவங்கள சுத்தி காட்டுவான். கொரோனா இங்க வரைக்கும் வந்துருச்சுன்னு சொல்லுவான். கவுண்ட் இந்த ஹாக்கி கவுண்ட் மாதிரி சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருப்பான். ரைட்? சரி, நீங்க காலையில பாக்குறீங்க, you see in the morning, night பாருங்க, again you see in the night. Right? In between, if you sit and watch, the numbers will change. So what difference it does make? உங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ண போகுது? How it's going to change? அதனால ஈவினிங் பார்த்தா போதும். Right? Okay, so we need to move little faster. So there are booming systems. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Many people complain. In a report they say 13.5 crores 13.5 crores of people in India has lost their job, and it can continue nu சொல்றாங்க. RBI leader என்ன சொல்றாரு? GDP ல there will be negative impact even after the stimulus. The stimulus amount nu onu Modi ji தராரு இல்லையா, after that also there will be a problem nu சொல்றாங்க. So they are planning to introduce new systems. So நான் அத பத்தி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண விரும்பல, financial impact பத்தி. So there could be some positivity out of it. நல்லா யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. Just try to imagine nobody is using calculator for primary calculation. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Many of us are avoiding calculator because we have it in our cell phone. Many of us are not using our watch. We are using the watch not to see the time. We are seeing what we are seeing right now in the watch, fashion or remote control.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sorry for the interruption, sir. It shows you as the host right now. Few people are waiting in the
No, I am
Zoom
doing it.
room.
I am doing it. It is not select. I am doing it simultaneously.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem. I am doing it, but it is not admitting them. They have some problem.
Fine, sir, fine.
Okay, so where I was, the impacts on the where I was, I'm sorry. So many people has lost a job. So the calculator I was speaking about, right? So now the cell phone has taken over the market. Nalla purinjikonga. Try to understand. Cell phone oda market eduthukichu. Right? Calculator enna aachu? And the calculator oda sales vandu they imagined it will go to crores, but still they are in hundreds because the calculator is taken over by cell phones. ஆர் வாட்ச் வந்து இப்ப ஸ்டைல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் தான். அதனாலதான் உங்க வாட்ச்ல என்ன பாக்குறீங்க, ஸ்டெட்டோஸ்கோப் வரைக்கும் எல்லா ஃபீச்சரும் உங்களோட வாட்ச்ல பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க. And that calorimeter thing is also gone, and now the BP apparatus is also coming into your this thing that includes stethoscope also. So ipo enna solranga, one impact of this thing will again always, there was always a damage in every field. Nalla ketukonga, there was always a damage in our society with these kind of things. Unga veetla just try to follow me. Do you have anything waste in your home? Can anybody tell anything? One thing which is waste in your home. யாராவது ஒருத்தர் இமேஜின் பண்ணி சொல்ல முடியுமா? We need to be little faster. We were 10 minutes late, I know. We need to be little faster. Can anybody pinpoint something? Anybody waste in the home அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, nobody could pinpoint something. For example, you may, if you ask your, if they are married woman இருந்தாங்கன்னா, husband கூப்பிட்டு, if you call the husband and ask, உங்க வைஃப் ஏதாவது தேவையில்லாம வச்சிருக்காங்களா, எனிதிங் unnecessary for the wife to keep அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா, the husband will point out the microwave oven. வைஃப கூப்பிட்டு கேட்டீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, அவர் வந்து அந்த சார் அந்த எக்ஸர் சைக்கிள்னு ஒன்று வாங்கினார் சார், டு டூ த எக்ஸசைஸ் இன் த ஹோம். ஓகே, தட் சைக்கிள் டு ரன் இன் த திஸ் திங், அண்ட் he wanted to walkathon machine ஒன்று வாங்கிட்டு வந்தார் சார், டு வாக் இன் த ஹோம். தட் இஸ் யூஸ்லெஸ் அப்படின்னு இவங்க சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, தென் husband will point out few things at wife, or wife will point out few things at husband, or both of them will point few things at the kid. Kid is having so many of this, that kinder joy toys. குழந்தைய கூப்பிட்டு கேளுங்க, அந்த குழந்தையெல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு வந்து எல்லாம் இத்து போன டாய்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து அடுக்கி வச்சிட்டு இருக்கான் சார். ஐ டோன்ட் நோ வை. சி, ஹஸ்பண்டுக்கு தேவையில்லை, ஒய்ஃபுக்கு தேவையில்லை, ஆனா குழந்தைக்கு தேவை. குழந்தைக்கு தேவை இருக்கு. Wife is, it is important for the wife, or it is important for the kid, or it is important for this thing. When it becomes completely unresponsible or useless for three of the people, that includes children, husband, wife, that will be thrown away. Do you understand now? When we are not taking part in this revolution, nalla ketukonga, you want to be the old calculator, or you want to be the new cell phone with the calculator and time, with the new apps, with the TikTok, WhatsApp. Yes, so you need to decide. Until and unless we become useless, the society will not take. You have to make yourself useful to take part in the community. Nalla purinjikonga, community kuda take part pananum அப்படினா, you need to do it. There is no other option. So you need to adapt. So அப்ப எந்தெந்த ஃபீல்ட் எல்லாம் அடாப்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். e-learning. So வீட்ல இருந்தே கிளாஸஸ் வர ஆரம்பிச்சிடுச்சு, சரியா? So then medical products. So e-learningல என்ன பண்ணலாம்? What do we need to do in e-learning? There are new classes, there are new schedules, and it is going to continue. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, this is going to continue. IT companies வந்து, there are many IT companies I know, right, where I frequently visit. They are all telling what, very simple thing. ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா சொல்றாங்க. Already they have put extra 8,000 to 15,000 on their salary, and they told them, இது உண்மையா நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த many companies, நீங்க உங்க வீட்லயே உங்களோட ஒரு மெக்கானிக்கல் சேர் வாங்கிக்கோங்க, ஒரு மெக்கானிக்கல் டேபிள் வாங்கிக்கோங்க. I don't think you will be coming for the office to do the work. Monthly thrice or 4 times வந்தா போதும். Big companies, they think spending them or bringing them to the company is the problem. So you work from home will be a concept in சொல்றாங்க. So classes will be also conducted in e-learning. So last 3 months I am conducting all over every place through Zoom da. So you have to adapt to these things, and you can also start developing these things. Okay, next, medical products. Yes, sudden boom in the medical products. Yes, when we have the knowledge, or when we convey it in a special way, then definitely that's going to work. Medical products. Then delivery services, yes, it is going to get a boom. See, I'm not giving you an idea, I'm just telling you how community is going to move from my perspective. Delivery services like Amazon, ellame contactless delivery nu solranga, right? So home entertainment, ipo movies ella enna nadakka podunu ketta, people will not gather in marriage halls, or people will not gather in cinema halls. So slowly this will turn into YouTube or home entertainment. So start making some videos for the people that will generate money. See, nalla ketukonga, என்னோட சேலரியை விட 10 times ஜாஸ்தியா என்னோட கொலீக் வாங்குறாங்க. மை கொலீக் இஸ் earning 10 times more than me. What she has studied ன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, she studied some UG course, அவ்வளவுதான். So what she will do அப்படின்னு கேட்டா, she will go around taking her car. She will see all the new items, construction things, construction material, small jewels, and she will put it in the group. Very simple, right? I will not take another more than 10 minutes. I'll just try to wind it up. See, she will take videos and put it in the YouTube group, right? She was doing it for last 5 years. I was doing with my patients, not this video thing. I was doing my routine work with my patients. என்னோட பேஷண்ட் கூட நான் என்னோட ரொட்டீன் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். அந்த மாதிரி வீடியோ எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு இருந்தது. Now people started calling her. நீங்க வாங்க, I am having a floor shop, I am having a marble shop, I have a construction shop னு சொல்லி people started calling her. They started paying her. So every time from the this thing, she started getting 50,000, 70,000, 80,000, which is 10 times or monthly salary, so many times, which is high. So I called her immediately after this lockdown. I wanted to know what is happening with her. So she told very simply, right, Dinesh, this became very busy, Dinesh, abdina. Why ma abdina? Earlier I have to go and take videos and put it in the group. Right now, that also I don't need to do. They only take the video, nalla ketugo, they only take the video and put it in my group. They only take the video and put it in my, they give it to me, I put it in the YouTube channel. They put it in the, I mean, like, they send it to me. They send it to me. So what I need to do now? Very simple. I just have to put. So my earning continues. There is no other problem. She was trying to say that. So develop contents. The online game is going to develop a boom. See, in the beginning I told you media has lost because there is no advertisement. Newspaper vaangi paranga. There is no advertisement in the newspaper. But see in your TikTok, see in your Talk or whatever this thing, ads are keep on coming. Right. So that means online gaming and online dating sites, these will get attention. So connect with Zoom and meetings going to be one of the chief source of communication between the people. Supplement and new entrepreneurs will develop. Adula எனக்கு எந்த டவுட்ஸும் இல்ல. And again, cleaning industry, supplying people இருந்து that supplement வரைக்கும் everything is needed for the society. These things will get boom. So I don't say you need to get connected with these services. Say some way you try to support these services, then you get everything. That's it. Okay. So learn new skills sitting back home. You can develop language. So it will not take more than 2 to 3 months if you have complete interest in it. Then help children to come across this fear, because unnecessary things keep on coming in the WhatsApp. Enna varudhu WhatsAppல, நீங்க செத்து போயிடுவீங்க, you touch this, you don't touch this, you wash this, use this chemical, put yourself into chemical, put shampoo on you, right? Then allow the children to express their feeling. Then online trading and e-learning is going to get a discipline. Yes, adula enna pandranga, they are selling the food in online. I don't say it is healthy, I don't say it is unhealthy. Develop entrepreneurship, right? Then sleep discipline. Okay, sleep hygiene solvanga. There is no concept of sleep hygiene anymore. It is only the discipline. Whatever time you sleep, try to get up at the same time what you get up usually, and try to keep yourself busy with scheduling with these things. Don't think you are free and you are left alone. Okay, don't think in such a way, right? Then practice some amount of physical exercise, right? Thank you so much. First 5 minutes will be given. Any doubts in the presentation?
So participants, if you have any doubt, you can now open up for the questions.
Was it understandable first?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's clear. Can I tell my points are out of your need?
Yeah, madam. But let the participants also speak. Are they following this?
Good evening, all. Request to participants, if you have any questions, either you can enter in chat box or you can unmute yourself and ask. Thank you.
Sir?
Yes, please, questions, please.
I would like to ask that is there any symptoms like which we can find out for whether a person is in stress or not?
Definitely, madam. See, when a person is under stress, a close person can, a close living person can easily understand. For example, there will be change in their routines. Primarily, there will be sleeps. There will be this thing in the routines. There will be, confusions in their routine. There will be confusions in their routines. There will be problems in their sleep, and then in the regulatory habits, you can find a lot of changes. And mood changes, frequent mood changes you can find, but it's not mandatory you should find all these symptoms. There is something called burnout that is completely it is completely silent. For example, if they do unnecessary or unwanted things, they decided it. There is nothing as unwanted things. For example, I decide this class is not required, then if I keep on doing that, what will happen? I will develop some stress for a longer period of time. So you need to find whether the stress is useful or the stress is useless. இப்போ நமக்கு என்ன வேணும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா, எக்ஸாமுக்கு before day we need stress to read. Correct இல்லையா? Before the exam you need some stress, or else you will sleep. But if it continues after your exam also, that becomes a problem. So is it responsibly working with the person நம்ம நோட் பண்ணணும். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா, after the exam, if the stress continues, what will happen? So stress will make the person learn and will destroy the person also. The time duration and the individual personality matters.
Thank you so much.
Anyone else? Anybody with Hindi, you can ask Hindi also, no problem. Telugu? Don't mind the language. There is no barrier in language for learning. Any other questions? Madam, ஏதாவது question வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? உங்க நேம் இங்க.
Hello, excuse me sir.
Yes please, Irshad Ahmed sir, tell me.
हाँ सर, मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, जैसे जो हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स हैं, जैसे मैं एक फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट हूँ, तो we have to deal with the physical contact with the patient.
Yes.
And lot of patients are coming with the stress of doing physical treatment to the patient. तो उस केस में हम क्या psychological या कैसे intervention उस patient को दें?
Okay. See, the patients, I will explain the question in Tamil once. Then I believe I can answer you in English, in little English. Okay. So please try to follow it. அவர் என்ன question கேக்குறாருன்னா, very simple. நாங்க physiotherapist, இப்ப நாங்க எப்படி இத கேர் எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. People, all of our people are educated with this COVID-19. So what they are trying to say or what they want to feel, right? So there was a beauty salon, a chain of beauty salon available in Tamil Nadu. So that owner, that beauty salon owner is giving 2 crore salary every month. Nalla ketukonga, he is paying 2 crore salary every month in Tamil Nadu. He has that many branches of that salon. So what is he trying to say day before yesterday? Okay, what he was trying to say, very simple. People are not going to come for haircut. People are not going to look for stylist. People are going to look for safety. Nalla kelunga, people are going to look for safety. So you have to make sure, right, when I come in, I will not get this disease. The same way you should not make them scared. So Arshad bhai, मैं आपका क्लिनिक को आने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, आने के लिए थोड़ा अंदर आके देखे तो आप पूरा कवर करके बैठे हैं. How I will feel? If you are covered yourself completely, how I will feel? So you should not do everything covered, and also you should not do this thing with this thing also. And there are big jewelries in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, everywhere. They are all worried now. because they can't run the AC. So when you assimilate, or when you show the interest of having a clear this thing, safety precautions to be shown to the patient, that itself will help. Irshad, samjhe aap?
Clear, sir. Thank you.
Yes, first sight itself, they have to be a little more understandable. That this person, I will not catch the disease from here. That you have to retain. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
और कुछ सवाल है? Anybody want to have question? Anything? எது வேணாலும் கேட்கலாமா? யாராவது கேள்வி இருந்தா கேளுங்க தாராளமா. Yes.
Sir, about this psycho-education, can you please more elaborate it? How can I give a psycho-education to other people? In what ways?
Psycho-education itself is a very broad term. You speak Tamil? You don't speak Tamil?
No, sir. I speak English. Okay. I don't speak Tamil.
No problem. I will make sure that everyone also understands this thing. See, psychoeducation itself is a vast field. See, for you want to give psychoeducation to the patient is very simple. Wear a mask and remove your chappal while coming into my clinic. If you put a board, what do you think? It itself is psychoeducation only for others. This clinic is ensuring, நல்லா கேட்டுக்கோங்க, கிளினிக் வாசல்ல ஒரு போஸ்டர் ஓட்டுறீங்க, புட் மாஸ்க் அண்ட் கம் இன்சைட் அப்படின்னு அந்த போஸ்டர் போட்டாலே இட் வில் மேக் அதர் பீப்புள் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் திஸ் கிளினிஷியன் இஸ் கிளினிக்கலி எஜுகேட்டட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் கோவிட், ரைட்? So the other steps so that